Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Faye. Happy birthday to you. Oh my goodness. Blow harder! Boy, you have no breath.
Candles.
Blow hard. Oh my goodness. You're weak.
I want these candles for my birthday.
Blow.
Watch your hair.
Oh my goodness, good thing I disconnected my smoke alarm.
Fiddle.
Uh-oh.
God. I want those for my birthday.
Okay.
And then one goes on again. I jinxed it. And another one goes on.
Those are like chick candles.
No, they're not.